keep going to the various schools, colleges and engineering colleges, ITI, polytechnics and various educational institutions of the state of Telangana. So, we keep listening. I mean, people keep coming up to us with a lot of queries with respect to take some agents, some lot of agents and some touts approach us that they have got some links and they can help them in the recruitment process. So, at this I use this platform to tell you all that army recruitment is a very fair and transparent process. So, you do not have to get lured by these touts, agents. Nobody can help you other than your own hard work. If you are a meritorious candidate and if you do not have to pay anything to anyone, not even a single penny. Other than that, I mean I think minuscule, that 250 rupees that you pay for the registration. If you have paid that and if you go through this recruitment process, you do not have to look for any agents or touts that somebody can help you or somebody will put your name in medicals or somebody will help you in the written exam as well. So, this has to be kept in mind. It is very, very important. And also I would say you have to keep checking the official website of Join Indian Army for the latest updates regarding the notification and the recruitment process, the eligibility criteria.